Greetings, beautiful viewers. Welcome to Learn Wollof Easy. I'm your host, Sister J. Our today's lessons, we're going to learn in Wollof individual subject pronouns, verbal structure, and object. So let's take a look at the example we have. Man am na xaalis. Man am na xaalis. Man am na xaalis. Let's take a look at man, meaning in English, me. Individual subject pronouns. Man in English, me, and it is individual subject pronouns. The next one, am. Am, meaning in English, have. Have. And it is verbal structure. It is the verbal structure. I, meaning in Wolof, na. Na. In English, I. I. It is also a verbal structure of the sentence. And then let's take a look at the last one, xaalis. Xaalis, xaalis, meaning in English, money. Money, and it is the object. It is the object of the sentence. So man is the individual subject pronouns, am meaning have, and na meaning I. Two of them are the verbal structure of the sentence. Xaalis, meaning money, it is the object of the sentence. So man am na xaalis. Man am na xaalis, meaning in English, me have I money, which is very wrong in English. That is why we said local languages cannot be directly translated into English. If you want to try that, the English won't be right. It's completely be wrong. In English, we said I have money. The me shouldn't be there. I have money. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching. If anybody is interested in learning more Wolof lessons, you can follow me on my YouTube where I upload the full video of Wolof lessons. You can check it out at Learn Wolof Easily. Learn Wolof Easily. I will write the description down below. You can check it out and then follow up. Peace, love, and blessings to you all. Jàmm ju ànd xewal ju bari ci ñépp.
Oh Africain, welele na Africa, benn continent melul ni Africa. Amul benn wérante ci loolu sunu mbëggeel ci yow